Hey guys, we are here in the bush. Bush. And look at the view. It's all dried and it's very dry. They have burned the place here, so it's looking like that. So it's me and Ben, and then we ask Moses to join us to look after us because we don't know this place. Yeah.
I know, I've seen it. It looks a bit fun.
Look at the view. There's nothing. Look at the view, there's nothing. Ay. Ay.
Now, the water has disappeared.
Here, there, farther. That one.
It appears. Sign.
Hi.
Yeah, this
Hey
one.
guys, we are here now. Again, third spot. It's good. Wind is very good.